Welcome to the SalesML application demo. To access the application, first go to the Marketplace via Google Cloud Platform. In the Marketplace, search for SalesML. This brings you to the SalesML homepage, which contains detailed information about the application and the pricing. And here is your guide to get you started. To start the deployment, click on the Launch button. This brings you to the page that contains details of the VM instance and memory. You can choose the zone where you want the solution to be deployed. The current configuration is a pretty basic one. Once you have finalized your configuration, you can click Deploy, which will create the required services that we're using in the solution. Here you can see the VM being set up. Once the solution is deployed, you have to create a service account. To do that, go to I am an admin and click on Service Accounts. A service account is required to access Google Cloud Storage and AutoML from the Compute Engine instance. Click Create Service Account. Fill out the details and click Create. The next step is to assign the roles to the service account. You will need 2 roles: Storage Admin and AutoML Editor. Then click Continue. After the roles are assigned and the service account is ready, we need to create a new key. Click Create Key. Select JSON and click Create. This will create a JSON key and download it to your local system. For the next step, go to the Compute Engine instance. The name of the VM will be SalesML-1-VM. Now you will need to upload the service account to this VM instance. To do that, upload the SSH into Compute Instance. Click on SSH. The next thing you'll need to do is upload the service account you just created. And to do that, go to the gear icon. Click on Upload File and choose the service account that you downloaded and click Open. Once the file transfer is complete, click Close. The service account will be successfully uploaded to the VM instance. Next, you will need to move the service account into the conf folder. To do that, run the mv command. Now get the absolute path of the service account so that we can define the environment variable. Open etc/environment using the Nano editor. Here you can define the Google Application Credentials environment variable, assign the absolute path, and save this file. Once the file is saved, go to SalesML folder. And here you can see that there's a shell script called reload.sh. Run this shell script. Now you will need to activate the service account so that G-Cloud can use it. Once the service account is updated, you can now access the application. To access the application, go to the VM instance page and click on External IP. Enter the default login credentials that were given in the Getting Started document and then click Submit. This brings us to the application homepage where you will see 2 sections. One is the ML experiment section and the other is the dataset section. To get started, click on the Upload Dataset button. Give the file you will be uploading a name. Choose the file and click on the Submit button. You can click on Datasets to see the uploaded files. Click on Dataset to see the visualizations generated on the dataset. And you can see the data distribution for different columns. Once the dataset is uploaded successfully, we can go to the ML experiment section. Click Create ML Experiment. Name the experiment, choose the dataset and label column, and then click Submit. This will create a machine learning model from the AutoML tables. Here you can see the list of ML experiments created in the associated details like the name and status of the ML experiment. Once the model has been trained, you can go to the Test and Use page in AutoML. And here you can choose the model. You can choose between batch prediction, online prediction, or export your own model. And this completes our SalesML application demo. Thank you.